Previously, on the last episode, we explored the fascinating mammals of Bhigwan beyond the wolves. We encountered the sly Bengal fox, the galloping Indian gazelle, and the elusive jungle cat. Today, in the final episode of the series, we travel to Panvel, to Karnala Bird Sanctuary, in search of one of the most stunning birds in the country, the Oriental Dwarf Kingfisher, often known as the jewel of the Konkan. So, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Hey guys, last day today in our big one trip. Today we are in Pune. We are traveling to Panvel now by train. We'll be going for the special bird, Oriental Dwarf Kingfisher. Panvel is located 123 kilometers from Pune in Maharashtra, India. We decided to take the Pune-Mumbai Pragati Express, which departs from Pune at 7:50 in the morning and reaches Panvel around 10. We left the Pune junction behind, and the journey ahead is nothing short of spectacular. The Western Ghats, one of the oldest mountain ranges in the world, are just beginning to reveal their beauty. Apart from train, you can travel to Panvel via road as well. There are several state-run and private buses operate between Pune and Panvel, offering a cost-effective travel solution. You can also take your own car and travel to Panvel via the Mumbai-Pune highway. As the train moves forward, we are greeted by rolling hills, misty shrouded valleys, and dense green forest. It's like the monsoon has painted everything in fresh shades of green, making the landscape come alive. Every tunnel we pass through feels like a doorway to a new world. And when we emerge, the view takes your breath away. These towering cliffs and expansive valleys are the heart of the Western Ghats. Amidst all this wilderness, a beautiful little station appears, almost hidden in the green embrace of the Ghats. It feels like time has slowed down here, as if this place exists in a different world altogether. Each moment on this journey brings something new: rivers flowing below, jungles stretching endlessly, and the mighty ghats towering over us. And while I have been fortunate to travel to many places, including the famous train rides of Europe, this one has its own magic, unique to India's Western Ghats. We finally reached Panvel station 30 minutes after the scheduled time. There was an auto waiting for us to take us to the location. We are going to a hide deep inside the Karnala Bird Sanctuary to film and photograph the most beautiful kingfisher, the Oriental Dwarf Kingfisher, popularly known as ODKF. The journey takes about 30 minutes from the Panvel station along one of the scenic highways amidst the Western Ghats. Finally, we left the highway and took a right turn into the sanctuary. Excitement surged in. We are heading to a small village inside the Karnala Bird Sanctuary. We contacted Samadhan, who arranged this hide session for us. We are going to his village. We reached the village, kept our luggage, and headed straight for the ODKF hide. It was a 30-minute trek from the village. The ODKF is a bird that's rarely seen as it prefers the deep, dense jungles for most of the year. However, during the breeding season, it becomes slightly easier to spot this bird. This is when the bird comes out to build its nest, often in burrows along stream banks or small muddy embankments deep inside the forest. That is the time when it is spotted, from June till September during the monsoons. There are various hides which are created during this time near the nest. We are going to one such hide today. Though sightings happen throughout the day, the frequency of sighting is greater during early morning and late afternoon. The trek under the hot sun and humid weather was tiring, but I guess that's what it takes to see a special bird. The trek involved a lot of water crossing, going through dense jungles. On the way, we saw this beautiful Indian Nightjar, a nocturnal bird known for its excellent camouflage. This bird is highly sensitive to human presence, especially during the day when it rests on the ground, camouflaged among leaves and grass. We left the bird and moved on. We could see the hide from the distance. There is a small sitting area inside the hide and a place in front to keep your tripod. There is a perch in front of the hide where the ODKF comes with a kill, sits for a few seconds before darting straight into the nest below us. This is the nest. You can see from the openings on the edges. With cameras positioned perfectly, we waited for the ODKF to come. There it is, the jewel of the Konkan, the Oriental Dwarf Kingfisher with a spider kill. It is one of the smallest and the most colorful kingfisher, primarily feeds on small aquatic prey such as insects, small fish, frogs, and sometimes small reptiles as well. I paused to check the mood of the camp. Looks like everyone was busy setting up their gear to the perfect setting. In each visit, it hardly gave us 5 to 10 seconds to film and shoot it. Every time it came with a different catch. This time it was a gecko. Seems like the parent is well aware about the diverse type of nutrition the child needs. I got to know that there is also a hide setup near the nest of the black-naped monarch. So I left this hide and went to that location. And there it was, the nest of the black-naped monarch with 3 chicks inside. The mom and dad was coming in turns to feed the young ones. Right now, the parent is not there and the chicks are eagerly waiting for food. Finally, the male adult came. It is a small, elegant passerine bird known for its striking blue plumage and distinctive black markings. Adult males are easily recognizable by their stunning azure blue color with a glossy finish on their heads and upper parts. It took the poop of the chicks and flew away. The monarch primarily feeds on insects. It is known for its agile, flycatcher-like hunting behavior, often seen darting out from branches to catch insects in midair. The adult female also came to look at the chicks. Females are less vibrant with a more subdued bluish grey color. They lack the black nape and crescent seen in males. The black-naped monarch is typically found in moist, dense forest including evergreen and deciduous forests, often near water sources such as rivers and streams. They are usually seen singly or in pairs, but they can also be part of mixed species foraging flocks, especially during the non-breeding season. The sight of the chick eagerly awaiting for its next meal was a heartwarming reminder of the wonders of nature and the cycle of life. It was a special moment witnessing this fragile yet vibrant life as we felt privileged to observe such an intimate scene in the wild. The clock showed 4 p.m. and it was time to head back. We had a return flight from Mumbai later that night. As we wrap up this incredible journey through Saswad, Bhigwan and Panvel, we reflect on the unforgettable experiences we have had. From the vibrant birds fluttering in the lush landscapes to the fascinating mammals we encountered, every moment has been a treasure. This 4-day adventure has been more than just a trip. It's been a deep dive into the rich biodiversity of our land. So guys, do let me know how did you like my series in the comment section. Please click the thumbs up icon and subscribe to my channel if you haven't had. Hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any future video from Wildlife Captured. Goodbye for now and see you in my next adventure.